Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop Channel. Okay guys, we're doing another luxury donut topper. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you which one we're going to do today. And it is this one. It's going to be fondant flowers, red ones, on cream. Okay, and I'm going to try a slightly different technique on this one. I'm going to try and dip the cream like you would do in real life. Okay, but before we do that, I just want to show you how you would make these little flowers. Now, in real life, they would be fondant, made out of fondant, but because this is fake, remember, these are made out of polymer clay. And what you do is you get your piece of polymer clay, knead it until it's soft, and then make it flat. And then you use one of these cutters, these little imprints, and you basically go along and you will cut them out and pop out the design you've got. This one's a star one, but this is flowers that I've made before. And then you cook them to the manufacturer's instructions, and then you'll end up with these, which are lovely and hard, and they look like fondant, don't they? Okay, so you're still with me? If not, any questions, put it in the comments below and I shall go through again exactly how you make those. Okay, so there you go. So without further ado, let's get on to the exciting bit of actually dipping this fake donut, which is made out of air dry clay. And yes, we go from there. So I'm just going to put those to one side. Okay, now, I haven't done this before, so this might not work, but I think it will. And we're going to go with it anyway. So what you need to do, first of all, is you need to get your fake cream. Now, if you've seen my other tutorials on this with fake cream, you'll need some of this acrylic sealant, okay? And you need one of these guns. And what you basically do is you will pop the silicone sealant in the bag, like a piping bag, like you would do for real cream, and give it a good turn like so, and then you're ready to go to pipe like you would do in real life if you were making a cake or something like that. Now, once you've used this nozzle and everything else, for crafts, you can't use it for food. So remember that, guys. If you want to use this for foodstuffs, for cakes and things like that, you can't use it anymore because you've used it for crafts. So you can't use it for cakes after you've used it for crafts, if that all made sense. Hopefully it did. Let me know in the comments below if you didn't understand it, and I'll explain it again. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I've got one of these tops. Now, I think it was off of this. Now, let me just show you this. So I had a container. So I'm just using this because I think this might actually work. So I'm going to pop that there. And then what I'm going to do is actually, you can practice your piping skills, but it won't matter because what I'm going to do is just, that's sort of the same size, that circle there. So I'm going to fill all this with this cream, fake cream, and then I'm going to tip this over, and then I'm going to go like that. And then pull it off and see what design we've got. It'll probably be all sticking out, but that's fine. And then we're going to stick our little flowers on, okay? So without further ado, let's do that. So it doesn't really matter how you do this, but it's a good way to practice your piping skills, okay? Oh, look at that, it looks rather good, doesn't it? Okay, so there you go. So look at that. Looks like a lovely flower, doesn't it? It's a shame I'm going to mess it up in a moment, but not a problem. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pop that on like that, and then give it a little turn and see how we get on. So fingers crossed, guys, this works because I've never done this before. So I popped it on there like so, give it a push down, and then I'm going to go like that to make sure I've got everything on there that I think I need, and then try not to touch it. And then I'm going to hold that down, and it's very hard to get it up because it is sealant at the end of the day. And ooh, they're coming. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh, I'm really pleased with that. Let me just take that out the way a moment and put that down so you can all see it. Look at that. Looks like I've dipped some cream in it. Looks a bit strange. I mean, I think because it's quite sticky, because it is sealant at the end of the day, it's gone over to one side, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to go with it. So without further ado, let's put our little stars on. Okay. Now, there is a back side to this and a front side, so you just need to make sure you get the front side. Now, you'll see that it's more colourful at the front, and there's a little indentation in the middle. Now, that's the one you want for the top. So just pop that down like so. Now we're going to do this randomly. So I'm just going to, oop, that's turned over. So let me just pop that there. Okay, just carry on doing this. And then hopefully, oops, we will get a great result, guys. Look at this. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, excuse me. Okay, right. Look at this. It's coming together, guys. Are you excited? I know I am. Oh, that's gone around the wrong way. Can I save it with a cocktail stick? I think I can. Look at that. Save the day. Pop that down. Actually, I might use a cocktail stick just to pop it down. So again, it's randomly, but at the same time, you want to make sure you're sort of covering it all as well. So it's kind of random, but it's also making sure you've covered every part. So it does look like cream though, I must admit, this sealant. Bum, 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 bum. Look at that. One more over there, I think. Oh, I'm liking this one. I might do this technique again. Might do it with some edible glitter or something like that. But it's obviously not edible, really. Right, they are, guys. There you go. How quick was that? What do you think of that? Cream with fondant red flowers. Doesn't that look good? Good enough to eat. So there you go. So now you need to put it to one side, somewhere safe for 2 days, let it all set, and then you've got your fake donut topper. So how good is that? Hopefully you enjoyed that one. I've enjoyed showing you all today how to do that one. Like, share and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm here to answer all your queries and concerns because I'm good like that. And I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.